Hello everybody and welcome to today's vlog. Today we are here at Alton Towers theme park for...
Are you that person off the YouTube?
Yes, I want to get it on YouTube. Go subscribe.
I've seen
You're
you
a fan
on YouTube. Hello, shout out to my mummy.
Anyway, today we are here at Scarefest at Alton Towers Resort in Staffordshire. And as you can see, the theming is just beautiful around here. We got a couple of scare attractions to go on today. And other than that, we're going to have a really good day. Going to try and get some rides. And yes. So today, unfortunately, me and my friends, we haven't chosen to wear any scary costumes. But of course, here at the Scarefest events, you can. And I'm sure we're going to be seeing lots of people in some very creative and interesting costumes throughout the course of the day. We got the usual theming. And it's Harry!
Oh look, it's most impatient Brits of 2018.
There it is, the towers themselves. Tower Street looking beautiful as ever.
Theme park worldwide.
So we've got in there. So we're gonna try and get an early ride on Wicker Man this morning. So we oh, there's the welcoming. There's one of the scare attractions this year. And I think we're going to go down and round, get us there as quickly as possible. Probably going to be a 30-minute queue, 40 minute. But that's what you got to wait on these Scarefest attraction days. So for a first ride, we're going to try and get on, well, we're in the queue. Wicker Man, 2018's new attraction. Lovely. Say hello, everybody.
Hello everybody.
Sorry. Oh, it's okay. Thanks. Foreigners. We're in the queue for Wicker Man, we're nearly there. Yeah, bro. A quick ride on 13, hopefully.
13.
I think it's just reopened, so might not be running particularly quickly. Queues hopefully hello. If not, then we're gonna wait in them anyway.
We're gonna wait. No.
Then we're gonna be coming on Rita.
Rita.
Just about to walk into Fountain Square. No. Sorry.
He's touching me. Wait, Rita's lasting an hour.
Deep Park Worldwide on YouTube. Hey guys. Smack. Had a great day here at Alton Towers Scarefest 2018. I think that'll be our final trip to the park this season, and next time we'll be coming in March next year. So I bought some pins from the Towers Trading Company, and other than that, we've had a great day. We've got a couple of rides on. Thank you. We've got a couple of rides on Galactica. Two rides on there. One in the dark. That was lovely. That was. We got two rides. Sorry, on 13. That's pretty fun. unfortunately didn't get my final Nemi ride of the year on, and that was quite tragic, but there's always next year, of course, when the season starts again. I'm sorry I didn't get much footage today, but other than that, I'll see you in the next video. And that is the end of today's vlog here at Oh, hey, Theme Park Worldwide on YouTube.
Theme Park Worldwide.
Theme Park Worldwide. And that is the end of today's vlog here at Alton Towers Scarefest 2018. See you later, guys.